Located at O'Sullivan Beach, South Australia, offered for sale are two large and rare greenfield sites, providing an exciting development opportunity. The corner allotment is of approximately 1.66 hectares, providing for good exposure and access. The second adjoining allotment is located on Gumeracha Road and offers a larger parcel of approximately 4.353 hectares. The combined total area is approximately 6 hectares and can be sold separately or together. Zoned urban employment with an interface area overlay, desired land uses include light or service industry, warehousing, office, consulting rooms, retail activities, training facilities, place of worship and childcare facilities, all subject to consents. Situated close to shops, schools and O'Sullivan Beach boat ramp, it's only 28 kilometres or 35 minutes from Adelaide's CBD. This rare parcel of land with multiple uses is one of the last available in the southern urban employment region.